Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my brothers, sisters. I'm going to tell you about your time. Why you waste your time for everyone? Why is your time so cheap? Have made your time very cheap. You sacrifice yourself for anyone. If someone says two sweet word to you with love, you feel that friend. He is such a well wiser of mine. He loves me so much. I will do anything for him. Then start talking to him continually on WhatsApp. Then start slowing his life's problems. And you know that whenever he is going through a bad time, he comes to talk to you. Whenever he needs to someone, he comes to you. As soon as his work done, he leaves you and goes away. Your siblings, your friends, and other people, everyone will come and go in your life, bro. By letting go of yourself, you become everybody else. First, you should become your favorite. Brother, sister, please don't make your time cheap for everyone. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.